We probably turned it.
I'd say we did. Along the edge here somewhere.
I'd say with us talking, we turned it. You'd think we'd see a flash of it talking there. Yeah.
Talking and not looking or something.
I mean, we're looking down the road the whole time we're talking.
I seen when Susie broke right there. It had.
Oh, it had, yeah.
Unless it doubled back, but
yeah.
I didn't figure.
Well, you could see they knew it went across there.
That was nice. Let's see.
Sound like Easy got the check. That's her there.
Yeah, Susie was clear down here. I thought that was, she must just squealed because
yeah.
The bark.
Yeah, I think Easy got it. That round goes to Easy. That round there goes to Easy through there.
Looked like Abby was getting it.
Yeah, but she missed it and came back and went over there.
Oh, did she?
Yeah, she had it and gave it up.
Hell, Susie's running forth off that mark. I was tickled.
Yeah, that's
really
always good.
Down, yeah.
Oh, that was good on all of them's part. Look at that double.
Nice double, yeah.
That's about as quick as you can work a double as anything. Wow.
Same place. Seen it that time. I was watching close.
I'd have never seen it. I was looking down, looking at the camera.
Big looking right.
I thought it looked big when it come across the first time. Danny made a nice turn there. That's probably it, because that's the way they're heading.
I'm not sure it was so quick. I'm not sure it was even around.
Well, that's the way they were working.
We'll see here. That may have been a bird flew out of it. They jumped that rabbit right here close to the road in that thicket right there.
I bet it doubled back on them, because they were working that way. Now they're working here. Here they come.
That's what it means.
Let's go across the road again. Turn back up.
Ain't what I seen, but that's no doubt right. Man, that was nice work there, Mark.
Yeah. It's already crossed. What do you want to bet? start feeding your dog some of that dog food. They can't keep up.
Well, I'm tickled with Susie. She's behind Darcy.
Yeah. It's trying to smell the rabbit. I know one thing. I'm going to get me some dog chow. That was all smooth stuff, though.
I'm tickled to death the way Susie's coming.
Yeah.
You know, she's got to turn into being
Yeah. She's already a nice dog. She's just getting smoother and smoother. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm tickled to death because she's not making no effort. When you two are hammering there on the front, she's making
The
no
thing
effort.
is, they're right on the line all the
thank
time.
God.
They're not missing any of it.
There ain't no rough stuff in it.
You know, they're not gambling at all.
There's the case where if you're judging, you just throw them two dogs on the front.
Yeah.
Well, I would.
Well, I mean, they didn't miss any of it. There was no hesitation, not off the line. They're scaring me, though, being on the front of your dogs.
Well, let's be at home. Be entitled.
Yeah.
If B was here, she'd be banging with you up there.
I'd say that dog food's cranking them up.
I don't know. When they
That's
come
what
back,
happened to Jenny.
let's get 'em.
Yeah, okay, that sounds good. It's gonna make that big loop out there, though.
I know. The deer will come back.
This is embarrassing, Donnie.
What, you running the front?
Yeah, me beating you like this. I don't like this.
Yeah. I'm okay with you running the front. That's fine.
That's what Ron says all the time. This is embarrassing. I think I'll pick my dogs up. He taught me that line. They didn't get that one, did they? That's what he's gonna do, go around.
Yeah. It's going to make a big loop up.
Yeah.
And when it comes back across,
Yeah.
we'll catch him. That's probably been, I don't know, 40, 45 minutes.
Oh, it'd have to be 45 minutes, I
I
think.
know.
I figure it's going on 5 o'clock, isn't it?
Yeah, it's starting to fly. 20 to 5.
Maybe we'll get lucky and he'll cross here. Here they come. Here they come. Here goes down here. Wow. It don't sound good. I don't think so.
I don't think that's right.
No. I'd say 2 dogs missed it.
Who was the two dogs?
Sue and Abby.
They turned down the hill there.
See, I think Danny and Easy stayed up here.
I know Darcy's behind them. She's the last one to come through.
Yeah.
There it is. Yep.
You know, I think that was a sight chase. Because I said I seen a dog just go flying down there.
Danny, but you in that front end first.
I think, I don't know what happened there.
Maybe
When they turned there, they looked like they were flying down through there. I thought,
Sue and Abby, maybe they seen it.
yeah, I'm thinking maybe they did. I'd say that rabbit turned back into him. I bet it's already crossed.
Danny took that check out from you.
Yeah.
That's right with her, way down.
Yeah.
I heard Eve open right with her.
Yeah. They were together. I'd say that these guys turned that rabbit into them. They were on the back or something. Yeah, we'll never know. Here they come.
Down, down, down.
Down, guys. Down,
Susie.
down easy. Down, Abby.
Mine will down. Here, Susie.
Here. Down, guys.
Susie will down pretty easy, but not this way.
He's coming up, don't he? They're really cranked now. Down easy. Down.